So in this video, we were going to look at the assignment as well as the initialization process to be carried out in the Fortran programming. So we'll see the first of all assignment statement. So whatever the value to be assigned to any variable or character, so how to do that? So basically, assignment statement is used for evaluating value of an expression. So you can have this as well as the assigning the resultant value. So we can have the resultant value and which is to be returned to that expression, or we can say it is to be returned to a variable. So the expression we have to evaluate and it is to be appearing on the right hand side of any kind of assignment operator. Basically equal to is the assignment operator, and then variable appears is to be on the left hand side of the assignment operator. So the process of execution of this assignment statement is something like this. First of all, the expression is to be evaluated. You know that the expression is written on the right hand side of an operator, and then the resultant value or the return value of expression whatever we got, it is to be assigned to the variable, and that variable we have written on the left hand side. So this is how the process of the execution of the assignment statement is like. So what is the syntax of assignment statement? So it's a variable which is equals to expression or var equals to exp. So var is the variable and exp is the expression, as well as this equal to it is considered as assignment operator. So just like example, b equals to 23.67, x equals to y plus z, z equals to sine of x multiplied by 1.25 minus p. So these are the expression, and it is to be stored in the value stored in this z variable, y plus z whatever value is to be stored in the x, and this b is 23.67. Similarly, we can go ahead with the data statement to initialize the value. So before that, we'll just have a look at this one of the program where we have initialized this x equals to a plus d, or we have initialized l equals to 2.5, m equals to 4.5, and n equals to l plus n. The same way. So this is how this process assignment statement is to be written, or the initialization statement is to be written in the program. So this is called as this three line number 4, 5 and 6 is considered as the assignment statement. So similarly, data statement is also considered as, so data statement is also considered as the assignment how or the initialization process. Syntax of it, it's the data var list 1 slash var value list 1 slash var list 2 slash value list 2, and so on. So this var list 1 and var list 2 are the list of the variables to be initialized, while value list 1 and value list 2, they are the list of the initial values. So suppose we have initialized this x equals to 9.1 and y equals to 1.23 E05. Now you can see this is the initialization process or assignment statement. Now the thing is this required actually two lines, and same can be achieved with the help of this data statement. How? So data this value x comma y slash variables x comma y, and then value of x and y are 9.1 and 1.2305 respectively. Similarly, assignment statement for initialization of a b c k j like this 1.5 1.5 1.5 1 it can be written in terms of this data a comma b comma c, and since all those three have the same value, so I've written it here 3 times 1.5. It means all the three have the same value of 1.5. Similarly, kj, there are the two variables, and for those two, we have written it's 2 multiplied by 1. It means this is how we can write the data statement. So, if we want to just look at the data statement program here, so just look at this. We have written here. We have first of all defined it's a real data type ABC, and then we have used data statement ABC. These are the variable and the value of it 10.5, 20.1, and 30.5. These are the comment lines, so this can be ignored. And then D equals to A plus B plus C. So this is the initialization process of D or the expression, and we have to write this right statement so that this D can be the value of D can be displayed, and then stop and end. So this is how the data statement is to be used in this program. So this is how the data statement as well as the initialization is possible.